Shito Subo Kurai Lunge Mine, which translates to Piercing Thunderbolt, or most commonly called the Lunge Mine, was a suicidal and rudimentary anti-tank weapon used by the Empire of Japan during World War II and was issued to the Imperial Japanese Army in 1945. Hello everyone, my name is Cruises History, and today I'm explaining the use and effectiveness of the Japanese Lunge Mine. In 1945, anti-tank divisions were notified by the Imperial Japanese Army to attack with spiritual vigor and steel-piercing passion. The lunge mine was provided and was first encountered on Leyte Island. The lunge mine consisted of a conical grenade attached at the end of a 5-foot pole. 3 legs, 5¼ inches long, are attached to the bottom of the cone-shaped grenade. The Japanese stated that the legs would increase penetrating power, and the lunge mine was at greatest effect when the explosion was a few inches away from the tank armor. When a soldier approaches an enemy tank, the safety pin is pulled out, separating the striker from the percussion cap. The lunge mine was then carried like a bayoneted rifle and would be thrusted into the armored plating. The shock contact would break the shear wire, and the striker nail would be shoved into the detonator cap, therefore exploding the mine. The explosion would most likely kill the user and was claimed to penetrate up to 4 to 6 inches of armor. The lunge mine was created due to a shortage of anti-tank weapons and was capable of dismantling the American M4 Sherman tank armor. Fun fact! Around March of 1945, when Japan failed to defeat the Vietnamese army, the Japanese left a fair amount of lunge mines, and the Viet Minh called the lunge mine the 3-claw bomb, and was later used during the Battle of Hanoi against the French Union. The lunge mine, being a suicidal tank weapon, was only effective at ensuring minor damage to tanks at a costly sacrifice of a soldier. Thanks for watching.